Fun facts with Seth. Green sea turtles. Green sea turtles get their name not from their outer shells, but from the green fat stored inside their bodies. This color comes from their mostly vegetarian diet of seagrasses and algae. Green sea turtles can live up to 80 years and grow to be more than 300 pounds. Imagine a turtle as heavy as a full-grown lion. Rattle, rattle. The rattle on a rattlesnake's tail is made of keratin, the same material as human hair and fingernails. When the snake shakes his tail, the hollow segments bump together to create the famous rattling sound, warning predators to stay away. It's like nature's alarm system. Rattlesnakes add a new segment to their rattle every time they shed their skin. The more segments, the older the snake. The ultimate actors. When opossums are attacked, they don't fight. They play dead. They stick out their tongues, go stiff, and even produce a foul smell to convince predators that they're not worth eating. This trick, called playing possum, can fool foxes, dogs, and even birds of prey. Penguins' tongues. Gentoo penguins may look cute and fluffy, but their mouths are built for survival. Their tongues are covered in spiky bristles that help them grip slippery fish and swallow them whole. It's like nature's built-in fork and knife, perfect for dining underwater. No superpowers. The nostrils of animals like moose, hippos, and manatees can automatically close when submerged underwater. This allows them to hold their breath and swim without water getting into their noses. It's like having built-in snorkels for life in the water. Did you know hippos can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes, and manatees can last for nearly 20 minutes? Underwater walkers. Meet the American dipper, a bird that's not afraid to get its feathers wet. These amazing birds walk along the bottom of rivers and streams, looking for insects and small fish. They can dive and fly underwater, using their wings to swim. Solar-powered butterflies. Monarch butterflies are like tiny solar-powered airplanes. If the temperature drops below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, their wings become too cold and they can't fly. Monarchs need the warmth of the sun to charge up. That's why you often see them basking in sunlight before taking off. Did you know monarch butterflies migrate thousands of miles to escape cold winters? Some fly from Canada all the way to Mexico, a journey as far as 3,000 miles. Flying squirrels. The largest species of flying squirrels can grow as big as a house cat. They glide between trees, using the skin flaps between their arms and legs, looking like tiny furry kites. These squirrels don't flap their arms. They stretch out their bodies and use their tails like rudders to steer through the air. Frogs with wings. Walruses, flying frogs, are the super gliders of the frog world. They use extra skin between their toes and oversized toe pads to glide through the air, traveling from branch to branch in the forests of Southeast Asia. It's like these frogs have tiny parachutes on their feet. Fish that don't need airplanes. Flying fish have special wing-like fins and fork-shaped tails that allow them to glide through the air above the water. They can fly the length of 15 double-decker buses in a single glide, about 650 feet, 200 meters. These glides help them escape predators like tuna and dolphins. Did you know flying fish can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on city streets. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved exploring with me, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures.